Hey everybody, it's DeeJayBe. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is yet another unboxing video. I start every unboxing video exactly the same. They're always impromptu. I always feel guilty because I spent too much money. I just have to stop everything and do it. So this one is no exception. This is a very special unboxing though. They're always special at this point. We're getting down to the wire where all of them are special. We're gonna open this singular box today, but there's more than one thing in this box. There's definitely an abundance of packing peanuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is gonna be super fun. We're gonna change the camera angle to better make this work. What could possibly be in these 10 stacks of bubble wrap? This is my first time seeing this. None other than my baby Saunders. Ah, so cool. So, how many times in a lifetime can you be filming an unboxing video and a new package comes? I'll probably unbox this in the same video because why not? Anyways, this is Venti Saunder. She is 1/20th scale, which is considered venti in the model horse community. I had her digitally scanned and shrunk, but it's really cool to have her in this smaller size. That means all of these are exactly the same. 10 of them. I don't exactly remember purchasing 10. So we're gonna do a little montage of me opening them now. So these three that I've kind of set aside, these three were cast without wires in the legs, and that's just because I want to be able to customize them. That is my little crazy herd of Saunder. I love it. I've actually named this sculpture Saundette. So if you would like to get yourself a Saundette, the information is on my website, www.deejaybe.com/Saunder. Get yourself one. Definitely check that out. I'm also gonna just quickly open this. This weighs 10 pounds, I swear. This is from a Canadian art supply store. This was very impulsive. These little Canada Post boxes, you just pull the tab, pops right open. I got a variety of Sculpting Primo clay. I got a lot of colors. Beige, black, burnt orange, coral, blush, butter yellow, burnt umber, fuchsia, cadmium yellow, carnation, that's a really pretty color, cobalt blue, cadmium red, forest green, Alzarian crimson, ecru, slate gray and raw sienna, mustard, pale blue, mint, light pink, light lime. Okay, there's a couple more colors in here, but I have to go through the other stuff. Oh my gosh, these are so small. Not what I wanted. These are so little. This will actually probably be helpful. These are stainless steel color cutters. I saw these in a store and I didn't buy them and I needed bigger sizes than that, but I thought they'd be good to have. So I have circles and squares. And then I got the Sculpting clay blades to be able to cut, clay softener, and I got a clay extruder. Can you tell I'm in my polymer clay era? Liquid polymer, more colors, lavender, coral, mauve, Spanish olive, white, terracotta, and tan. So I got all the colors. This is for a very specific project. I didn't necessarily need every single color, but I'd like to work more with polymer in general, and the polymer I had was just not working. Hopefully they will be helpful for my next project and projects going forward. So there's my army of Saundettes and my army of clay. We buy things in multiples here at DeeJayBe Studios. So thank you so much for watching. Happy collecting, customizing, sculpting, whatever you do. If you want to see what this is for, you can come join my Patreon. I post behind the scenes content of everything I'm working on. You can potentially see some of these Saunders getting painted as well.